Good morning, everyone. Today, again, we will be learning about the magic spell. Our topic for today is key details. So, we will be finding out the key details from the story today. Okay, so let's get started. So, we all know that there are three parts in a story, that is the beginning, the middle, and the end, right? I've already told you this in the previous classes. Okay, so we already know, okay, that the beginning introduces the characters, right, the setting, and also the main action. Okay, so over here we know that the characters are Amu and Anup. Okay, we know that they were angry with their father, and the main action was that they asked Jennifer for help. Okay, now how did Amu and Anup feel? Okay, so we know that they were angry with their father. Okay, why did their feelings change? Okay, their feelings changed when Jennifer tells them about the magic spell. Okay, so they feel that Jennifer knows a lot about magic, and when she tells them about the magic spell, they feel that now they would put a magic spell on the car and the father would sell the car. Okay, now why is this a key detail? Why is this a key detail? Okay, because it tells us how the characters feel and how their feelings change. Okay, now if you go to the second part of the story, that is your middle. Okay, in the middle we see that they dug a bone. Okay, they dug a hole and they buried a bone. Their father meets with an accident after that. Now how did they feel? Okay, they felt excited. Okay, their feelings changed when he met with an accident. Okay, they were excited when Jennifer gave them the spell. Okay, when they dug a hole and they buried a bone. Okay, but when their father meets with an accident, okay, their feelings change and they become very sad, they become scared. Okay, they blame themselves. Okay, and then why is this a key detail? Because it tells us about the actions of the main character. Okay, the main characters over here are Amu and Anup. Now the end of the story, okay, is to see where how the characters change. Okay, so over here we find that they dig to see if there is a bone there. Okay, this is after they tell Jennifer that their father met with an accident. Okay, and that the spell worked, and she makes fun of them. Okay, and tells them that she was just joking with them. Okay, so they come back to the garage and they dig to see if the bone is there, but it is missing. Okay, so their bone is missing. Now they are very excited, okay, when they find the bone missing, because they feel that, okay, really some magic took place. Okay, they thought that their car was very lucky. Okay, since the magic has already happened. Okay, and why is this a key detail? Okay, because it tells us the action that happened after the main event. That means when they go and they ask Jennifer for help. Okay, they dig a hole. Okay, and they bury a bone. So after all this, okay, it tells us about all the actions of the characters that happen after the main event. Okay, so these are your key details in the story. Okay, now let's see, if you change a certain key detail, okay, what would happen? Okay, so when you change a key detail in the story, the entire story can change. So I'm going to give you just one example. Okay, and you can think about other examples of your choice. So when you remember, okay, changing key details change the entire story. Okay, when you change a certain key detail, you will change the entire story. Okay, so over here I have written that Amu and Anup, okay, they go to a real magician instead of going to Jennifer. They do not go to Jennifer, but instead they go to a real magician. Okay, and the magician gives them a spell that makes the car actually disappear. Okay, so the spell really works. Okay, and the magician, he gives them a spell and the car disappears. Okay, Amu and Anup's dad is very very sad. Okay, because he loves his car very much and he doesn't know what has happened to his car. This hurts him a lot. He's very sad. Okay, and the three of them, they face a lot of trouble. Okay, because they need to travel by public transport. Okay, they no longer have the facility of their car, and now they have a lot of trouble traveling by public transport. Okay, then they realize their mistake. Okay, and they ask the magician for a spell that would bring their car back. Now when they face a lot of trouble, they realize that it was their mistake in asking the magician for the spell. Okay, they realize the importance of the car. Okay, they realize the importance of their dad's feelings, and so they go to the magician and they ask him to bring their car back. Okay, they ask him for a spell, grants their wish. Okay, he gives them another spell and they bring their car back. Okay, so if you see, I have changed just one key detail over here. I've said that they go to a real magician instead of Jennifer, and you can see how the entire story changes. Clear? So remember, key details, okay, are the details which push the story forward. If you change one key detail, okay, then your entire story will change. Clear? So that's all for today. Okay, we have come to an end of our block 6, okay, the magic spell. For Monday we will be starting block 7, and have a fantastic weekend. Okay, I'm missing all of you, and I'll be waiting for you on Monday for your next class. So bye bye.